I've officially done 3.7 kilometers of the Heysen Trail. So what's that, like 1,196.5 or something to go. About to officially start the Heysen Trail. It's been a long few weeks preparation, but I am so excited. And my parents are ahead of me, so I'm just gonna and catch up to them, take some photos, and I'll be off. Officially the boundary of Aruna Station and the Flinders Ranges National Park. So I think I'm technically inside the national park now, which means I'm only like 2 kilometers from camp. So I'm very happy about that. Well, that is day one done. I did around 19 kilometers, around 6 hours of walking. But yeah, it wasn't overly challenging, just my body, you know, getting used to carrying a heavy pack again. But yeah, I'm all alone here at Aruna Campground, which I'm kind of surprised about because it is vehicle accessible and it's quite a popular spot. There's toilets and water and all these little luxuries that I won't get a lot of over the next few weeks, so I'm gonna use them gratefully. But otherwise, yeah, I'm just gonna cook dinner and go to bed pretty much. Kind of been an emotionally draining day, and I just want to rest and get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a big one, so I am so hungry. I'm almost done 5Ks this morning, but most of it's been uphill, so I am feeling it. But it's nice and cool. The sun hasn't come out yet from the clouds, so the views have been really good. I can see all the way over to Wilpena Pound, so it's really nice. But yeah, I'm gonna need a break at the top of this hill for sure. Well, first rain shower of the trail, and just putting my rain cover on my pack, and only a few Ks from my campground, so I'll be able to have a rest there and hopefully wait till this passes. Coming out. Woo. Thank God for that. Well, that was an afternoon and a half. Fuck, I'm so tired, and it took me about 40 minutes to set this fucking tent up. So windy, it's so fucking windy out there, and I just struggled massively to set this thing up in the wind. And then I just spilt like a litre of water in my tent, so everything's fucking wet. It's been a long, really long day. Well, that was probably one of the worst nights that I've ever experienced camped out. The wind last night was fucking insane. I thought I was going to be fine. I had rocks piled up against all of my tent pegs and guy ropes and everything to try and keep my tent down. And then at about 1 a.m, it was getting so strong that my tent was completely bending over the top of me. So the roof was almost on my head. Packed my stuff up, grabbed my tent, ripped the tent pegs out, and just ran for the fucking hut, which felt like a kilometre, even though it was only about 50 metres. I thought I was going to lose my tent, honestly, like it was getting ripped out of my hands, and I reckon I've had fuck all sleep. It's still windy, but it's not as bad as it was in the middle of the night, so... Yesterday I was complaining about the rain. Today I'm complaining about the heat. It's fucking hot. Actually, it's not that hot. It's probably about 24 or something, I think, but man, I am feeling the heat a little bit, as you can probably tell. Alright, well I think I've officially had every type of weather possible in the first 3 days on trail. I'm just waiting for snow to happen now, which, you know, wouldn't surprise me. Yesterday was quite warm, very windy. Last night there was a storm, thunder, lightning, rained quite a lot. Luckily it didn't last that long, probably an hour or two, about from 2 a.m. until 4 a.m. That was great. But packed up early this morning, sun's out, blue skies, so hopefully today it's a little bit kinder. Hopefully I'll... What the fuck? Flies are fucking... Anyway, alright, so I'm gonna be jogging for the next 7Ks to Alpina. I'm keen. here and the view is incredible. Right across the Flinders Ranges in front of me. Now I am officially inside Aqaba station and their property, and I just passed a sign that says they carry out feral shootings at any time, so please stay on marked route. Noted. Anyway, I'm just over halfway through the day, so still got a long way to go. Alright, well, leaving Red Range camp at a very leisurely 9 AM. But we did have a really big day yesterday, 29 kilometers from Wilpena all the way here, so I think I deserved a little bit of a sleep in and an easier day. So I think Mayo Hut's only 17 Ks, so I mean that's nothing compared to yesterday. And I'm saying we because I met my first thru-hiker yesterday, and we walked together a lot and we camped together, and probably will today and tomorrow at least into Hawker, which is kind of nice. Nice to have somebody as opposed to literally no one. We're only like 18 kilometers from Hawker now, so Jonathan and I are trying to gun it to get there by 2 PM to make the cafe for lunch. And I also have a food drop there, which I'm really excited about because I am almost out of food. And yeah, just excited to get to town really. I can actually hear the Outback Highway from here, so it's about 12 Ks away. Then we've got to walk along the highway for a few Ks into town. So yeah, excited, let's do it. Box number 1.